Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Kodi user looking for a clean, powerful, and easy-to-use build, you're going to love this one. Today, we're checking out Enigma Silvo, a fantastic all-in-one Kodi build that has everything you need for streaming movies, TV shows, and more. Enigma Silvo can be installed directly from the Enigma Wizard and offers both free and debrid content, making it perfect whether you're a casual streamer or a heavy Kodi user. Now, if you want those high-quality HD and 4K links that load fast and stream smoothly, I highly recommend using a debrid service like Real Debrid or Premiumize. Trust me, the difference in streaming quality is huge. One of the things that makes Enigma Silvo stand out is its sleek Silvo skin. It looks clean, professional, and super easy to navigate. You'll also find a great lineup of reliable video add-ons for all your favorite content. And the best part? You can install the Enigma Silvo build on pretty much any device that runs Kodi. That includes Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV, Google TV, PCs, tablets, and more. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and runs smoothly across all devices, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. So if you're ready to take your Kodi setup to the next level, give the Enigma Silvo build a try. If you have Kodi installed, you can proceed. If you haven't installed Kodi, jump down below this video and click the link How to Install Kodi to your Fire TV or Android device. Let's get started with the install of Enigma Silvo. Launch the Kodi app, then click Settings. Select the system icon. If it isn't already enabled, click the toggle to turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Return to the System menu and open File Manager. Select Add Source. Click None. Type the following URL and click OK. If you need to pause the video till you get the URL typed in, do so now. Name your media source whatever you prefer and click OK. Go back to Settings and choose Add-ons. Select Install from Zip File. Click Repo or whatever you named the media source. Select the zip file URL, repository.enigmawiz.zip. The repo installed message will now appear. Choose Install from Repository. Select the Enigma repo. Now click Program Add-ons. Open the Enigma Wizard. Select Install. The Wizard add-on installed message will now display in the upper right-hand corner. Return back to the home screen of Kodi, hover over Add-ons, and click the Enigma Wizard under Program Add-ons. Click Build menu. Select Enigma Silvo. Click Continue. Wait for your build to download. Click OK. Relaunch the Kodi application. You have successfully installed the Enigma Silvo build on Kodi. We suggest waiting a minute or two for everything to install in the background before using this build. Continue more for important details and features about this build on your device. Enigma Silvo build categories. As you may notice after installing, the Enigma Silvo build works very well on almost any Kodi device. There are several categories available, and this includes the following: Debrid, free live TV sports, discover settings, add-ons. The notable add-ons that come with this build include Daddy Live, Umbrella, Absolution, Black Lightning, Scrubs V2, Mad Titan Sports, and others. That's it now. Sit back and enjoy your new build. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privato VPN link in the description. Also check Vseebox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.